Hi friends, hope you have liked the 5 videos that we have been discussing about how to improve relationship with our boss or supervisor. We started with becoming aware of our own feelings about our boss, supervisor, trying to be really positive, let go all the negative feelings, forgive, uh, forgive yourself, forgive your supervisor, whoever has been with you in some sort of interaction which was not good for you, or you felt you were hurt. But as we discussed, unless we let go those negative feelings or negative things, uh, it is just not possible to have good relationship in long run. We also discussed about how to stay calm and positive so that we can actually do more of analysis and understanding about the behavior, the likes and dislikes of our boss. We discussed about couple of meditation practices, forgiveness sadhana, and mindfulness meditation. I have shared the link of the application that I have been using. Hope you guys found it useful and you guys are using it. uh, do share your experiences. So today we are going to talk about some of the expectations that usually supervisors or the bosses have with their subordinates. If you actually take care of those things, it can help you improve your relationship a lot. And one of the quality that I as a supervisor have always looked for in my subordinates, in my team members, has been accountability. Accountability brings huge amount of trust and faith in the team members. If you are accountable, you would make sure that everything that is sent over to you and you agreed to deliver, you will do to the best of your capability, and you will deliver it on time. If you're not able to deliver it on time due to xyz any reason, at least you will make sure that you are upfront communicating the same thing to your boss. That's one thing which is immensely helpful. Trust me, a supervisor is also a subordinate to someone. He has made certain commitments based on the commitments that you have provided. So if he is supposed to pull in the updates, run behind you, find out कि जो हम काम करने वाले थे इस डेट पे वो हुआ या नहीं हुआ, and if he or she comes to know at the last day that you need more time, it is always going to be frustrating. I always give one example to my team members कि यदि आप अपनी एक गाड़ी सर्विस करवाने के लिए देते हैं, you are a customer, and that मैकेनिक हैज़ गिवन यू कि सर 2 दिन में आपकी गाड़ी ठीक हो जाएगी, एंड 2 दिन बाद जब आप जाते हैं गाड़ी लेने के लिए, तब वो मैकेनिक बोलता है कि सर 1 दिन और लगेगा. हाउ फ्रस्ट्रेटिंग इट इज़ फॉर यू. आप मनी मन गालियाँ देते हैं, दुखी होते हैं कि यार पहले क्यों नहीं बताया. मेरा चक्कर लगा, मेरा प्लानिंग है उसके हिसाब से. बट इमेजिन इफ द सेम मैकेनिक वुड हैव इन्फॉर्म्ड यू अ डे अहेड कि सर गाड़ी खोलने के बाद पता चला कि 4 चीज़ें और ख़राब है, थोड़ा और समय लगेगा, या कोई स्पेयर पार्ट अवेलेबल नहीं है, ड्यू टू वट एवर रीजन आई ही नीडेड वन मोर डे, एंड ही वॉज एबल टू कम्युनिकेट इट अपफ्रंट. दैट्स लाइक accountability, owning it up. So I would recommend all of you to start एनालाइजिंग कि आप लोग कितने अकाउंटेबल है, कि आपको जो काम दिया है वो आप पूरा अच्छी तरह से करते हैं या नहीं करते हैं, प्लस आप उसकी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, उसकी ओनरशिप कितने अच्छे से लेते हैं कि यदि आप वो काम नहीं कर पाए और आपको एडिशनल टाइम की ज़रूरत है, एडिशनल रिसोर्सेज की ज़रूरत है, तो क्या आप टाइम से वो चीज़ कम्युनिकेट कर रहे हैं अपने बॉस के साथ. दिस विल go a long way in getting the trust from your supervisor, and will also help you go long way in your career at a very fast pace. This is how I have grown in my career. I have always been very open with my supervisor. जो भी ज़रूरत है, जो भी समस्या है, जो भी परेशानियां हैं, ऑलवेज मेक श्योर दैट टाइमली उन चीज़ों को लेकर के कम्युनिकेशन और इंटीमेशन हो उनके साथ. So I wish all the best to all of you to try out this thing, and do share your experiences, your stories with respect to accountability, or how you have been working with your boss, your supervisor, or if this specific tip actually helped you, do share your feedback regarding same. All the best, take care, keep rocking, bye bye.